So you have to go to tutoring. So sad the universe is against you. But wait, before you let existentialism consume you, check out the Tutoring and Learning Center located on the first floor of the Sierra building in the library. All of the writing tutors in the TLC are more than happy to help you. We want you here. Step 1, navigate to tmcc.academia.net and log in with your TMCC student username and password. If you need help with math, physics, and the sciences, drop-in tutoring is your best option. We have math tutors available throughout the day. Also, guess what? Drop-in tutoring is unlimited. You can stop by whenever you need and stay for as long as you want. However, if you'd like to sit down one-on-one with a tutor, follow the steps. Step 2, click Schedule an Appointment. In order to book a STEM appointment, you're going to select Subject Tutoring. This can be in person or over Zoom, so double check which one you selected before moving on. Then select the class you would like to receive help with. Here in the TLC, we can help with almost all math, including physics, biology, chemistry, and more. Step 3, determine if you need a half-hour or hour-long appointment. If you only have a few questions to go over, then a 30-minute appointment should be sufficient. However, if you need to go through an entire assignment, an hour-long appointment will be better for you. Ask yourself, how much help do I need? The answer to that question will help you decide which appointment length is right for you. Once you have completed Step 3, you're almost done. Step 4, choose your tutor. Unfortunately, you cannot throw a little plastic ball at them and take them with you for future tutoring needs. However, this is the next best option. If you have found a tutor you greatly enjoy working with and want them only them, you might work with them to the confines of their schedule. However, if you don't care who you see and are happy with anyone, select whichever time slot works best for you. Remember, we only book 1 week out, so if you're not seeing an appointment time that works for you, you may need to give us a call or try again next week. If you have an important assignment coming up that you know you'll need help with, always book an appointment at least 1 week in advance. If you wait till the day before it's due, chances are we won't have any appointments available. Step 5, confirm the details of your appointment. You have made it to the end. Congrats. When confirming your appointment details, check, is that your tutor's name? It's rare, but sometimes we get multiple people with the same name in our system. Did you select the kind of appointment you want? In person or Zoom? Is the appointment the right amount of time? Remember, short assignments with only a few questions is 30 minutes. Long assignments in which you need a lot of help, 60 minutes. Did you select the right class? If you have a preference on tutors, did you select the tutor you want? Is the appointment on the right day at the right time? If you can answer all these questions, congratulations. You can now hit the green Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Unfortunately, we can't offer confetti, but we can offer a stellar tutoring session when your appointment rolls around. A few more details before we let you go. Drop-in tutoring is available for most STEM subjects throughout the day. Drop-in is unlimited and you can come in whenever you need to and stay for as long as you like. You can book up to 3 hours of appointment time per week. The TLC operates on a 3-strike system. If you miss 3 appointments without calling to reschedule or cancel, you will lose your ability to book an appointment, and no one wants that. We offer supplemental instruction sessions for certain STEM classes. SI schedules are posted inside the TLC, so stop by and say hi if you're curious. The Find Focus Learning Lab is available for all biology classes and anyone who would simply like to check out our collection of models and microscopes. Now you're all done. You should be proud of yourself. Coming to tutoring is one of the best decisions you can possibly have made for your education. We're looking forward to seeing your face in the TLC soon.